Some important question and answers from dates, days and years. Question number 1. Non-resident Indian NRI Day is marked on. Answer is January 9. Question number 2. Kisan Divas Farmers Day is observed on the. Answer is 23rd December. Question number 3. Which one of the following days is not observed on a fixed date every year? International Friendship Day. Question number 4. Which one of the following days does not synchronized with the birth anniversary of any eminent Indian? Answer is National Science Day. Question number 5. International Voluntary Blood Donation Day is observed on November 6. Question number 6. Who among the following won the 2003 Indira Gandhi Award for National Integrations? Baba Amde. Question number 7. Minorities Rights Day is observed in India on 18 December. Question number 8. Which day is celebrated as United Nations Day every year? 7th April. Question number 9. Navy Day is observed on December 4. Question number 10. What was the code name for the Indian Air Force operations during the Kargil conflict of 1999? Operation Safed Sagar.